How to use Airbnb coupon code hidden feature. To use this coupon code feature on Airbnb, first of all, go ahead and find yourself that stay. Now, once you find it, go ahead and tap on this reserve option or booking option, and you will be prompted and you will be sent to this option for payment. Go ahead and select your payment method. Once you do so, simply tap next, and right under this confirm and pay option, you should be able to find coupon option over here if you have any coupons under your account. Now, if you have it, it mostly applies automatically over here, and you should be able to find the discounted price after the uses of coupon, but it is not shown over here because I do not have any coupons on my account. And once you find it, all you have to do is simply tap on this pay option to pay it, and once you pay out, your bookings will be confirmed. I hope this video helped you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.